of President Xi Jinping represents a paradigm shift in international relations. It is a grand vision that transcends boundaries, connecting countries and peoples through a web of infrastructure, trade and cultural exchanges in a world which is becoming more and more interconnected, but unfortunately, at the same time, getting mired with conflicts. The Ukraine war had not ended, yet we are seeing a new horrendous conflict zone in Palestine where Israel, with the unconditional support from Western world, is committing horrific brutality against civilians, children and women. Gaza has become a graveyard of children. We appreciate China for becoming the voice of victims of genocide in Gaza. The BRI in this environment of geopolitical conflicts offers an alternate vision of peace and shared prosperity through mutual trust. BRI is not merely about roads and ports, it is a testament to the power of cooperation in an increasingly interconnected and volatile world. This initiative inspires cultural dialogues, fosters economic growth, and bridges geographical and ideological gaps. Through the BRI, we witness the potential to uplift communities, alleviate poverty, and empower nations to partake the fruits of globalization. It is a promise of a more interconnected and prosperous future, benefiting not just the participating nations, but the world at large. I firmly believe that the BRI has truly become a global phenomenon and a testament to the power of international cooperation. One of the most compelling aspects of BRI is its capacity to address critical global challenges. By encompassing all aspects of human development, BRI transcends short-term commercial or political interests, solidifying its status as a beacon of South-South cooperation. Today, footprints of BRI are visible from Southeast Asia to South Asia to Central Asia and Asia, where millions of people are benefiting from the dividends of investments made under BRI projects. For Pakistan, BRI has been a lifeline that promises to transform its economy and infrastructure. Pakistan being at the confluence of historic Silk Route and at cross-section of important engines of growth in Asia, namely South Asia, China, Central Asia, and Middle East, becomes a pivotal player in this grand design. The BRI's significance for the global economy cannot be overstated, and it seeks to promote inclusive development by connecting Asia, Europe, and Africa, and through a network of roads, railways, and ports. Ladies and gentlemen, strong bilateral relations from development by connecting Asia, Europe, and Africa, and through a network of roads, railways, and ports. Ladies and gentlemen, strong bilateral relations form the bedrock of global diplomacy. In this context, Pakistan's relationship with China is a shining example. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a flagship project of the BRI, of which I had the honor of managing the project for a very long time, it demonstrates the potential for mutual growth and cooperation. Pakistan and China have been all-weather friends, standing shoulder to shoulder through thick and thin. CPEC, often heralded as the game changer for Pakistan's economy, it is a vast network of roads, railways, energy projects and economic zones aiming to connect the southwest coastal city of Gwadar in Pakistan to China's northwestern region. This project holds immense strategic importance as it is not only provides China with a shorter trade route to the Arabian Sea, but also transforms Pakistan into a regional economic hub connecting South Asia, Central Asia, and China. Today, each country present here has a similar story of win-win partnership to tell. It is a testament to how strong bilateral relations can manifest into a powerful force for change. And I also appreciate the important role that Yunnan province plays in the CPAC cooperation, like vocational training, energy, and people-to-people exchanges. Ladies and gentlemen, in the complex and dynamic global landscape, we, the political parties, play a vital role in shaping the nation's choices, policies, and directions. The relations among these political parties are the heartbeat of the nation's political discourse. Their collaboration, unity, and respect for diverse opinions are essential for promoting the global progress and stability. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, let me say that the BRI offers a vision of hope, opportunity, and progress in a world which needs collaboration more than ever. Strong bilateral relations based on shared destiny and mutual trust are the core of this vision, and the cooperation between political parties and CPC provides people-centric focus to this transformational development initiative. By nurturing strong partnerships, we can unlock a path towards hope, collective prosperity and peace and progress to defeat forces of despair, conflict and polarization. Thank you very much.